Are you eating cake? Whose fingers are in that cake? Whose fingers are covered with cake? Oh. Oh, I can lick my hands all night now. That's good stuff. What are you doing? With your hand all covered in cake and ice cream. That's not ice cream, that's icing, Dad.
Oh, get it, Emma!
Look at that face.
It's all over the table.
Get more cake, Em.
Grab another piece.
Oh, no, Dad.
Whoa! That's good
job,
stuff.
Emma. You're going to be sugar high in it. Yeah, that's it.
Yay!
Get it, Emma.
All
Get
over
it,
the
Emma.
table.
Oh, Emma. I can put this on.
Give him a kiss.
No.
On the lips.
I will. That's some sugar lips. That's some sugar lips.
Give that girl a kiss on the lips.
Give her a kiss on it.
Ow.
No, it's all mine. You can't have
Sugar
it.
lips.
I don't want you to have any of my sugar lips. It's
Look at that.
mine.
Get it, Em. Sugar
I
lips.
can't even read this stuff.
Sugar. There's a little more, Em. Get it right there. Get that cake. Good eating, Tex.
This is how I eat.